Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by redeeming the Apple gift card to your Apple ID. This moves funds into your App Store balance. Once done, make sure your Apple ID region matches where the game is sold. Because purchases are region locked, sign in and enable two-factor authentication if prompted. You should check the exact UC price and include any local tax, since the App Store charges tax. If your balance is short, add funds or use another payment method before opening the game. You now open the game while signed into the same Apple ID used for the gift card. Then, go to the in-game shop and pick the UC pack you want. Observe the listed price in dollar or local currency so you know if the balance is sufficient. Next, tap Buy, and when the App Store confirmation appears, choose to pay with your Apple ID balance. It uses redeemed funds first. Confirm the purchase with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password, and wait for the confirmation. Finish by verifying the UC arrived in your in-game inventory and by checking the Apple receipt in your email or purchase history. If the items don't appear, sign out and back into the game, restart your device, and use the game's Restore Purchases option if available. If the App Store shows the charge as complete yet UC is missing, gather your receipt and contact Apple support and the game's support team. They can trace the transaction and either restore items or refund you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.